No sign of Raspberry yet, Jane? Oh, I don't know where she is, Xeria. Maybe she did run away from me. Oh, I'm such a fool! If I hadn't yelled at her, she would have still be here in the camp. Don't worry, Jane. We'll find her. But how are we supposed to find her? She's been gone all night. Man, if only Bianca's dogs are still here, maybe they could sniff for her. Don't worry, Jane. I have a very good sense of smell. Maybe my nose can sense Raspberry. Ooh, good idea. She may be lost in the woods somewhere, but with Cherry on our team, she would be an amazing finder. Attention, campers! It's time for the next contest! But we didn't even have Raspberry with us. I thought they said that the next contest will start tomorrow. But why today? Good idea, Alex. Okay, campers, today's challenge, we're going to... Camber Kingsley! Yes, Jane? We have a problem. Last night, Raspberry ran away because I got mad at her, and now I don't know where she is. So I came up with a plan. I'm gonna use my nose to smell Raspberry's scent. Well, I suppose we could wait for our cooking challenge. Okay, so today's new challenge is to find Raspberry. Whoever finds her first will be safe, and whoever finds her last will be up for elimination. Even if Team Pineapples ever loses, Raspberry will have immunity. If Team Cupcakes loses, then she will not have immunity, but she will earn an immunity frying pan. We've hidden 2 immunity frying pans in the forest. What does an immunity frying pan do? Well, when a team is up for elimination, you can use it on yourself or anyone else. The frying pan takes votes off. Ooh! I need an immunity frying pan so that nobody can vote me off. Now you guys can start your search party. This little device can detect any butterfly, even eternity butterflies. Ooh, maybe this can help us find Raspberry. How would that device help us find Raspberry? There are many butterflies in the world, and there's a hard chance that this thing could detect Raspberry. Ah, great! Now it's raining! Ooh, look over there. I could see rain suits on this tree branch. Quick, guys, put them on! Nah, I don't need a rain suit. I'm fine getting wet anyways. Me neither. Desmond's good. I like getting wet anyways because when it rains, I can play in the mud. There's no time to play, Cherry. We need to find Raspberry. I didn't mean right now. I meant, like, later. Oh, gotcha. I saw a button on my rain suit. Mine has one too, and so does Rory's. Okay, nobody told us that these rain suits are inflatable. Man, I can hardly walk with this suit on me. I can assume that Kimber and Kingsley bought these rain suits just to mess with us. I mean, it's pretty obvious that they bought these suits. Maybe these suits keep us warm. I mean, I'm already getting warm and cozy. Crazy weather out there, huh? Oh, hey, are you an eternity butterfly? Awesome! Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm Blaze, and this is Spark. She lives on my tail. Hi, butterfly! What's wrong, little one? Are you feeling a little sick? Oh, do you guys have a fight? Oh, don't want to get into your brain too much, kid. Would you like to see what else is in this tree? Okie dokie. And by the way, I like your cheetah cub. What's its name? Sprite. Cute. Woohoo! Here we are, Moffyville. Moffyville is full of dirty mobs. Hello, kind stranger. Well, Spark, I think they like it here. Oh my gosh, nobody told us that there's snow in the forest. I know, right? So, how are we going to find Raspberry with all the snow in the way? I don't know, but this stupid device won't cooperate with me. Let's just face it, guys. She's probably gonna die out there by the time when we find her. And why is that, Gloopy? Well, he ain't wrong. There's no way that butterfly could survive in the cold. True, but Raspberry is the smartest butterfly we know, and I'm sure she's still alive. Okay, what's wrong, Tony? There's a cheetah in the forest. Don't worry, it's already dead. It won't eat us when it's dead. I say, how are there cheetahs in the forest? Don't they belong in Africa? I mean, zoos have them too, you know. I think Kimber and Kingsley have something to do with this. I think you're right. Oh, these sneaky tulip flowers! So, Raspberries, since none of the mobs have a leader of the village, how about you could be the leader of the village? Okie dokie, here's our crown. There, now you are an official leader of Moffyville. All hail Queen Raspberry! 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 Oh my, it's getting dark out there. Oh, Raspberry, if only I haven't yelled at you. Jane, are you okay? No, I screwed up big time. Jane, everyone makes mistakes, and I know that you were trying to make sure Raspberry is safe. Oh, you guys, I'm sorry that I got us all into this mess. Raspberry ran away because of me. But Jane, you can't blame yourself for what you did. Xeria's right, we all make mistakes. We're going to find Raspberry no matter what. Thank you guys for cheering me up. You're welcome, Jane. Brrr! It's cold as heck out there! Maybe we should go inside of this tree. That looks like a cave. We'll be warm in here for a little bit. You know what makes me warm and toasty? Stomping! Raspberry, I'm so glad that you are safe. I'm sorry that I yelled at you. You are always welcome to help out. Aww, how nice! Since you made up with your friend, you decided that I should be the leader of the village? I think Raspberry wanted to say thank you for helping her out and wanted you to rule the village. Aww, you're welcome, Raz. You and Spire are welcome to come back here anytime you want. Thank you, Your Majesty. You're welcome, guys. So, Sprite is the name of your cheetah cub, huh? Aww, Sprite is so nice. Hey! Sorry, pineapples, but we can't lose again. After them! And Team Cupcakes wins stage challenge! But we found her first! How is that fair? Sorry guys, I actually meant to say that whoever finds Raspberry and brings her to me and Kingsley first will win today's challenge. Even though you guys did find her first, that doesn't mean you are are safe. So Team Cupcakes wins because they bring Raspberry to us. Who do you guys think should lead tonight? I don't know. Even though I hardly saw the orb do anything, I still can't vote for him. Was it because Raspberry likes to sit on top of him? That's exactly right. Hello again, Pineapples. It's been a little bit since we've seen you in the elimination ceremony. The last contestant on your team that has left Recipe Mayhem Legends is Bianca. Whoever has the most votes will be eliminated. Man, I miss Wallamar. Now let's read the votes. Raspberry has earned immunity, so no votes count when she has immunity. Desmond. Glory. The Orb. Glory. That's 2 votes Glory, 1 vote Desmond, and 1 vote the Orb. The Orb. Desmond. Glory. The Orb. 3 votes Glory, 2 votes Desmond, and 3 votes the Orb. 1 vote left. The 4th person leaving Recipe Mayhem Legends is... Glory. It's time for you to go. Yep, I knew it. But that's not all. Tonight is a double elimination. The second person with the most votes is the Orb. Orb, it's time for you to go as well.